Welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. And I got a hot mess going on today. I went to Target a couple times, like you do. I got some dollar spot items, and then I got some clearance, some 50, some 70, some 90. So let's cover it all. But first, let's do the dollar spot items so I can put those away, because I'm actually going to use most of this stuff to decorate my mantle and whatnot. They had the little birdies out, and I feel like these are going to transition into spring. And these were $1, and I got a gray, a white, and the green. I didn't get the beige and the brown, but I think these are adorable, and they're going to go on my mantle. So put those away, and those were $1. I got several of these, but this one is for Sarah, and it's just a mug sweater. It's a sweater for your coffee cup. Doesn't that scream cozy? With the little button. So this one was $1, and that's for Sarah. For my mantle, I got this sign that says white winter days that melt into spring. And it's not huge, but it'll sit up on my mantle pretty. So I got that, and it was $3. And then I found this one today. OMG, look at that sign. And this is going to go on top of a hutch that I have. So pretty. And this one was also $3. So I got that. I found some essential oils. I took them out because they were leaking. I got lavender and eucalyptus. I'll show you the bottles, but they were $1. Some of this stuff is open because of that. They weren't shut real tight in the container. But yeah, I love eucalyptus and lavender. So I got one of each. They were $1. You can diffuse them. You can just put them like in filler. Especially if you're sick or stressed. Eucalyptus is amazing stuff. And then lavender. So I got those. You put them in a bag. I don't know where I put my bag with the birds. Okay. I just don't want them leaking all over my house. Although I do love the smell of them. I got some of these tea towels. I opened it up because I want to see. I'm assuming this is like a 12 by 12. They're 100% cotton. So they're actually nice tea towels. But I'm going to use them on my table. My dining room table. So I got a buffalo check. And I got the stripes. And these were $1 as well. I grabbed 2 of these for $1. Some more succulents. I need to hunt down my other ones, but these are going to go in a tier tray. So I got these 2. I just like the terracotta and the simplicity of that. And they were $1. I found this tiered tray. And if you can see, it's not huge, but I'm putting this on my mantle. And then all the little things are going to go in it. And I'll show you what else is going to go up there. And this was $5. And this is part of the coffee collection. Hi, Alex. Hi, Luna. We're dog sitting. I know, sweet girl. She's a little jealous today. Here's Luna. I know, sweet girl. It's okay. It's okay. Alex was coming over to say hi. And then I found this one. Again, not super huge, but look at the galvanized. And this is going to go on top of my little hutch. And I think it's perfect with this and that, like sitting, and I have a lamp up there, and that's perfect. And this was also $5. And it will hold this little doodahs. I got tons of doodahs. So I feel like that was everything I paid full price for, which were the things I went looking for. The only thing I haven't found that I am looking for is the mitten garland. It's gray mittens. I want to put it up here. And the $1 garland that says coffee. I want to buy 2 of those. One for me and one for Sarah. So those are the only 2 things I'm on the hunt for, which I'm hoping to find. Okay, let's go to the clearance. So, let me find the right receipts, because Lord knows. These were 70% off. I got 2 of them. Look at the size of this candle. It's a 10-inch by 3-inch. It's red. Let me get it out of its sleeve, because this, I'm going to do red and black, I think, as part of like my winter transition. And then that'll go right into Valentine's Day. But I'm going to take it off. It's marble, if you can see that. Oh, so pretty. Smells like cinnamon. It's a wick candle. So this is regularly $11.99, and I paid $3.59, and I got 2 of them. And then these were $9.99, and I paid $2.99, and it's just a very simple, clean. I need height because my mantle's pretty large, so these are going to go in the corners. There you go. So I'm going to have 2 of those, and these are just metal. I think that's metal. Yep, metal. Just little metal candle. Oh, this candle smells delish. See, now I have to clean my mantle off from Christmas because I opened everything up. What's on this? Oh, oil. Lavender. Okay, so I got those on clearance. 70% off. Then I know, you know, I'm keto. And these Hillshire Farms, you got to read the labels. The beef summer sausage. Not the other flavors, just the summer sausage has 1 carbohydrate to it for the summer sausage. The beef summer sausage has 0 carbohydrates. And I will eat these for like dinners. I slice them up, have them in my fridge for cheese. These were regularly $6.39, and I got them for $1.91. So I bought 3 of them, and their best buy date is March. I'll eat these by March. So these will go get sliced up. And I just kind of leave them in the fridge, and when I'm hungry, I grab some. So I got 3 of those. I got some of this Rainbow Ice sugar-free gums because they were cute. And these were regularly $1.99, and I got them for 59 cents because they were 70% off. So 59 cents. I got 2 of those. I like them. And then the only other food item I got was this tin of peanuts. And it has, this is the roasted nut trio. Now, I have to take the honey roasted cashews to my family, but then it has roasted salted peanuts and roasted salted almonds. Now, obviously, the honey roasted I can't have. I was looking at the ingredient label, but there's just a tin of nuts, and the tin of nuts was regularly $10.99, and I got it for $3.29. Let's open it, because I'm going to have to take those honey roasted. I'm going to my cousin's today to watch the football game. The Buckeyes are playing in the Rose Bowl, so I'm going to go watch that in a little bit. Okay, so this isn't too bad. I mean, there's not a ton of nuts in here, but for $3, definitely. And then I'll take these and give them to my cousins. But I eat nuts fairly regularly, and I thought $3, it was definitely worth it. And then it has this cute little tin that it came in. So I got that on clearance for $70. Okay, Lena. The dog and I are going to have a little meeting shortly because he's all in everything. Then I have, oh, there's my birds. I found my birds, don't worry. Okay, so that was all I got. Nope, I lied. And then I found these, which I think is perfect for Valentine's Day. They're just a placemat. They had a table runner too, but I just got the placemats for my dining room table. And these were $4.99 regularly, and I think I paid $1.49, and I got 2 of these. One for my coffee table, one for my dining room for Valentine's Day. Because I just think that's so pretty. And it just says Farmhouse and Valentine's to me. So $1.49 for those, which I thought was a very good deal. And I got that at the 70% off mark as well. Anything else that I get with 70? Let's look. I think that's all the 70s. Okay. Putting my trash away. Now, I went this morning, and I was 90% off, and I went to 2 Targets. So I grabbed some tissue paper. This is 10 sheets for 20 cents. I don't really care what it looks like. I just use it to wrap Christmas ornaments. The glass ones, I wrap in tissue paper, and I didn't buy any tissue this year, which is weird, but I didn't need it. So anyway, I needed some tissue to wrap my ornaments. So I just grabbed 2 packs because that will be plenty. Ew, what is that? I don't know what that was on my floor. Luna, what are you eating? Crazy dog is eating something. I don't really know what. Ew. Okay. I picked up one more of these. This little star, the gray yarn, is going to go into my tier tray. And it was $1, so it was 10 cents. And I'll probably cut that off or just bury it. But it's just gray yarn. I thought it was pretty. So I got that, and that'll go somewhere in here on my mantle. Like you do. For my little cousin, I got her a squishy. It was 30 cents. It's a penguin. Super cute. She'll enjoy that. She likes the squishy still. I found one of these. And I will tell you, a lot of the stuff I found was not in this clearance section. It was just randomly shoved in shelves. So this one, this candle holder. I don't know how much it was. I think it was like $1, like 99 cents, because there's no price on it. Oh yeah, 99 cents. It was $9.99. This is the Opal House brand, and this is just one, but I feel like this is winter. This is not necessarily just Christmas. Could be a holly berry, but it's gonna sit up on my shelf with one taper candle in it. 99 cents for that. I found for the dog or cats some pajamas. Because next year somebody's going to be an elf for me. I don't care who. This is a size extra small. Probably will fit the cats. I'm not sure that it'll fit the crazy dog. But this was 99 cents too. I just thought that was super cute. I'll make the cats wear it for like 10 minutes and then they'll get mad and I'll take it off and life will be okay. They'll be all right. My hands are miserable. They are... I got to figure out the setting on this thing. It keeps blurring on me. They are so dry. So I grabbed a 2-pack just to put in my purse of lotion for $1.50. And it is winter, snow, and peppermint swirl. I just thought this was 50% off, the beauty stuff. And I found for my mantle, oh my gosh, I love this. It's a solid wood carved polar bear. I mean, isn't that neat? And it was $1.99. I love it. Let's see what it says. It just says carved wood polar bear figure, $19.99, made in the Philippines. But it's solid wood. And again, that to me is not Christmas. This is winter. And we like polar bears. So $1.99 for that. I found some lights. And I think these are battery operated with the bells. For 99 cents. They were regularly $9.99. So I grabbed those. I grabbed one more of these for 30 cents. I have a light green one, but I think they'll look super cute in my front window in spring. I'm going to put some colorful tulips in them. Because to me, they just look like a rainbow. I have black for Christmas, but the green I think will be fun for spring. So I got another one of those. And then nope, not the last thing. I grabbed this. This is a bulb kit. Athene Amaryllis. It's a bulb, fiber, planter, and instruction. So it's regularly $13. I got it for $1.30. I mean, heck, for the pot alone, $1.30. And I think this is Smith & Hawken, but I feel like I can grow it now. So we're going to try to grow a plant for $1.30. And then the last thing I got, which was amazing, Harry Potter pajamas for my coworker's little boy. They're size 6, so they won't fit him for a little while. Probably next winter, but that's fine. They were $1.69 for a pair of Harry Potter jammies. Yes, please. So that was it. That was my Target dollar spot, 50, 70, 90% off sale. There wasn't a whole lot left. A lot of beauty stuff left because the kits, but those are just at 50%, and I don't really feel like that's a great deal. So that's everything. I hope you guys have a happy new year. I'm having some fun, exciting stuff coming in the future, and I will talk with you later. Bye. Have a good one. Go Buckeyes.